Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well in this big problem of the world. Well, this video is about a very big announcement, and this announcement is gonna shock you. Well, yes, I'm gonna change the name of this channel. The present name is English Mania, the Ghost of Spoken, and the upcoming name will be English Holic. Well, why should I choose English Holic? Maybe a question in your mind. Well, I'm an English holic. Whatever you do, whatever you think, well, I just find everything in English. You know what? If I do something, yes, I can get something English in that. I just feel like I'm mad for English. I'm made for English and I'm mad for English. That's why I'm an English holic. And if you are watching this video, probably you are an English holic also. So I can say this name is gonna suit. So from the next video, our channel will be named as English Holic. So guys, hope you all will stay with us and till the race. Well, the race is not ending at all, cause it's the race of English. And English is an ocean you can see. There's no end. Hope you appreciate us about this and this very big, I think, yeah, it's very much big it's very much big decision. So I want your appreciation. So let's step together. So guys, please subscribe our channel. Okay, ta-da, I love it.